Tired of feeling like real wealth is out of reach? What if I told you that in 2025, building real financial freedom is easier than ever, if you take the right steps today? Stay with me, because I'm about to show you 5 proven ways to start building your wealth from zero, even if you have no experience. Welcome back to Dollar IQ, where smart finance leads to smarter choices. Today's video is all about you. Whether you're a college student, working a 9-to-5, or trying to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck life, I'm breaking down 5 powerful ways you can start building serious wealth in 2025, even if you feel stuck right now. Pause briefly. Grab a notebook because you'll want to remember these tips. First up, invest early, even small. Most people think you need thousands to invest. Wrong. Apps like Robinhood, Webull, and Fidelity allow you to start with as little as $5. The magic of compound interest means your money grows over time. Even $50 a month invested smartly can turn into thousands over a few years. The key is consistency. Small amounts regularly, not lump sums once a year. Next, learn high-income skills. In 2025, skills like digital marketing, coding, financial analysis, copywriting, and AI integration are gold mines. Spend time learning. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer affordable courses. High-income skills let you earn way more than traditional jobs ever could. Third strategy: don't rely on one paycheck. The average millionaire has at least 7 streams of income. This could be a side hustle, freelance work, dividend-paying stocks, affiliate marketing, even selling digital products online. In the gig economy, flexibility is your biggest asset. Start small and stack your income sources gradually. Fourth, master your budget and save aggressively. If you don't control your money will control you. Use apps like Mint, YNAB. You need a budget or even a simple Excel sheet to track every dollar. The goal is simple: spend less than you earn and invest the difference. Every dollar you save is a soldier fighting for your financial freedom. And lastly, invest in your own growth. No stock, no crypto, no real estate will ever outperform investing in your skills, mindset, and health. Read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts, upgrade your environment. When you become a better version of yourself, money naturally follows. If you follow even just 1 or 2 of these strategies, your financial future will be completely different by the end of this year. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Which of these 5 strategies are you going to apply first? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more actionable finance tips, and turn on the bell notification so you never miss a new upload.